Ever tried showing someone your note but wish you could point at things with a drawing on the page? Or maybe you are recording a tutorial and want a clean way to highlight part of your note? Today I will show you how to use the laser pointer in Samsung Note on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This tool lets you point, highlight, and guide attention without leaving any marks on your note. As the example, we will use this while we are in the reading note with the S Pen. To do so, open any note in Samsung Note. Remove your S Pen. Enable reading mode. Then tap the laser pointer icon. The custom panel will appear. Now choose your laser style. You have 3 choices: solid laser, outline white laser, or dot laser. Pick the one that feels most natural for you. As the example, let's choose outline white laser. Next, choose the color. You can go with rainbow for a fun animated effect, or pick single color. As a note, if you choose single color, you can tap one of the preset options or use the color picker to get the exact shade you want. As the example, let's choose rainbow. Now tap laser point on to start using this feature. Once everything is set, just point anywhere on the screen using your S Pen. Your laser stroke will glow. Follow your motion and fade away automatically without affecting your actual note. When you are done, simply tap the laser icon again and then tap laser pointer off to turn it off. And that's how you use the laser pointer in Samsung Note. It's perfect for presenting, teaching, or screen recording clean and distraction-free explanation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.